hold it down like a Snapchat. Go over your head like a snapback. Uploaded a pic, double tap that. And your flow so old, granddad.
So you guys, if you guys have watched my apartment tour, you guys should know this room by now. It was super kind of empty, but now this is how the room looks like. I've gotten it just the way I want it. I'll show you guys how my setup is and everything like that. So as soon as you enter, the door is right here, obviously, and this is how it looks. We're gonna start right here. This is where I edit and do all my creativity on this part of the room. Now I am super organized, or at least try to be super organized. Now this is how my inside looks. It's kind of organized. I got just piled up stuff in here that I don't use, but I put it in there just in case I need it. So now we are on this side of the room. Now I have this cute little plant because I wanted a cute little background, and I also have this thing. It says the future is female, which that is so true. So yeah, I love this little centerpiece right here. I just think it's cute and really simple. And these are some of my makeup brushes that I have, and I have this cute elephant and this nice little flower. I got everything that you see, like stuff like this, from Burlington. That's where I usually get all my stuff. Now these are all the lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, or just lipsticks in general. I put it here. So we're gonna start with this first little drawer right here. Now this is how it looks like. This is where I put all my foundations and primers and my setting spray, all here, the ones that I need. I did organize this a lot nicer. I love it like this because once I use it, I put it back exactly how it should be. Okay, I try to be as clean as possible because sometimes I do get messy. So yeah, these are all actually my favorite products, and I've used half of them, like a lot of them actually. So yeah, so this is where I keep all my foundation and primers and setting sprays. So next to it is this other drawer right here, and this is where I keep some of my eyeshadow palettes. Now I do have a lot of Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes, and I have some Anastasia's palettes that I created. Just, you can do that at their website. I'll open one of them up so you guys can see. It's super nice. I love their palettes. So I created that myself, and I just picked a lot of eyeshadows that I liked. And yeah, I got some Makeup Addiction eyeshadow palettes. This is how it looks. So pretty. I'm gonna play with this pretty soon. And got some Urban Decay eyeshadows. I got some drugstore eyeshadows right here on this side, but this is how that area looks like. Now under it, I did get this all of the little drawers or whatever you guys want to call it. I got this from Ikea. I got that one from Amazon a long time ago, so I'll look for that one where my computer is at, and I'll try to find it. But this one is for sure from Ikea, and this is from Ikea as well. So when you open this drawer right here, it looks like this. This is where I keep all of my fun, amazing lashes. I do have my favorite ones. You guys can see the ones I love right here. I love Cocoa Lashes so much, and these are lashes from Slay by She, and it looks like this. I'll open one up. So pretty. So yeah, and I do have the Anastasia lipstick right here because I don't have anywhere else to put it. Oh, I'm out of breath, y'all. And under that, this is more eyeshadow palettes that I do love. I try to put them all, like if it's Huda Beauty, put Huda Beauty all in one area, put all the Anastasias in one area if they all fit. And I have the Dose of Color palette. I'm gonna probably put that one right here. I have the Kylie Jenner palettes, the what are these? These are Lime Crime eyeshadow palettes. I have never played with these. I need to play with these. Sometimes I buy everything and I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna play with it, and I always forget. And I have the Tarte as well, ColourPop back there. So this is where I keep some of my eyeshadow palettes as well. Now, a lot of these things I did buy with my own money. I don't get makeup sent to me at all like that. I just literally a little bit sent to me since I've been doing makeup on YouTube. Like, I don't get PR packages, to be honest. I usually just get hair a lot. So this is where I put all of my highlighters and yeah, I don't have much to say about this, but this is my highlighter collection. I'm super happy with my collections, y'all. It took me a while to collect all these makeup, but this is my happy spot, okay? And this is where I put all of my setting powder, under eye setting powder, contour palettes, blush, all in one area, just so it's more easier and organized for me when I'm trying to, you know, do a makeup tutorial or do my makeup in general. I know where everything is at. So here's another drawer where I put more eyeshadow palettes. I got Morphe on this side. You can just tell Morphe right here. I got the KK Beauty, you know, Violet Voss, Too Faced. Like, as long as it fits, I try to organize it all with one brand each. But if it's too big, I just, you know, put it all together, I guess. Last but not least, the last drawer of where I put all of my eyeshadow palettes, and it looks like this. This is Too Faced. When these palettes are super popular, I loved them so much. And the Naked palettes. I hope you guys don't sleep on Naked palettes as well. They're really good. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys this little area right here. This is more makeup brushes. I didn't have, you know, room to put it, so I decided to put it right here. These are more makeup brushes that I love and enjoy using. Now, this is where I put all my beauty blenders, all in this little candy jar. And then this is just a nice pineapple that I put candy in it. Now this is where I put like more lipsticks and which it looks like that. Should never open it because I think this is the one that's hard to close back up. Oh, there you go. And I put like leftover eyeshadows, drugstore to be exact, and more concealers and contour palettes all in here. More concealers right here as well. I do collect a lot of concealers because I love them so much. And I also put my liquid lipsticks here. And this I got all of just random stuff, I guess. And here's where I put all of my lip liners. Now I got this whole set. I don't remember. I've been collecting makeup since like 2015, so some of these things I got it like then, and I don't remember exactly where I got this, but I'm sure if I find it on Amazon, I'll leave the link down in the description box, and this lipstick holder as well. So we're gonna turn around, and it looks like this when you turn around. And I have this little cute, I love this little chair right here. This is just a lounge area when Bae wanna chill and sit down and just hang out with me. So this is where I put all my lashes that I'm going to use when I'm about to do a makeup tutorial, so I don't have to turn around and, you know, do all that extraness. This is where I put more liquid lipsticks. In here, concealers are all the way at the bottom, and liquid lipsticks. I love collecting liquid lipsticks. For a minute, it was like my thing. And this is the mirror that I use when I'm sitting and recording. Hey. So yeah, super simple, you guys. My room, I don't want to add too much. This is just the basic beauty room. I love it. It's not too much. I love it how it is, you guys. Now this is where I keep all my sunglasses. I've collected a lot over the years. A lot of sunglasses I got for Misguided, Sunglass Spot. Those are my two main places that I get all my sunglasses, because this was like $5, this was $5. Like, they're super affordable. So yeah. I got this desk right here from Amazon. Once I find it, I'm gonna leave it down in the description box, so check that out. So this is how my setup looks like. Okay guys, so I wanted to back up a little bit so you guys can get a full-on look on how my lighting and my setup is. That is honestly the #1 question that I get on Instagram a lot, on how I set up my lighting, what camera I use, what lens I use. I'm about to let y'all know everything right now. So this is how I set up my lighting now. I don't set myself up. My man does this for me, so I cannot honestly tell you, like, you know, I don't even know. I can't really explain to you exactly how he does it, but I can show you guys in and all that good stuff. So he put these two lightings right here. They're both the same height. I'm pretty sure he put that there so then I can have lighting facing me on my face. And also I have this one up here to just give me lighting facing down, and then that one just balances it all off. And I also have this light at the back to give me light from the back, and also that one over there. Now, you don't need this much lighting, okay? I am actually getting new lightings pretty soon. So then I'm not gonna have all of these. These are just not as strong as I want them to be. Honestly, you need a ring light and probably two light boxes, but these ones are from Amazon and they're pretty affordable. If you're trying to start YouTube, I would so highly recommend these. So I'm about to buy me some good high-end lighting, so I can only just use a ring light and then 2 lights. Yeah, so it makes a total difference, but I just feel like these ring lights from Amazon, they're just good to start off with. I mean, I've had these for like years, so they're really good to start off with, so trust me. But if you've been doing YouTube for a while, it's time for you to invest into better lighting. But lighting is so expensive, so that's why I've kept these for a while, because I've been satisfied with them. I just bought more. Now when you buy lighting from Amazon, you are gonna get like 3 light boxes. I just bought extra just for backup. So yeah, I used to not have this set up like this, you guys, at all. I used to just have the ring light and 2 light boxes and probably 1 more just hanging in there, and then I bought 3 more the beginning of this year. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what lens and camera I use. Now I use the Canon, let's get back here a little bit, I'm gonna focus. Okay, so this is the camera I use. I use the Canon Rebel T5i. I've had this since I started YouTube, you guys. This is my baby. It has ride with me for the longest. Like, it's a good camera. Am I gonna get a new one? Hell yeah, because it is time to put this down and let it rest for a little bit, and I need to invest into another one. So this is the Sigma lens. I'm gonna leave the details. It's gonna pop up here in a little bit, and I'm also gonna leave it down in the description box where to get this lens. Now this lens is not cheap, okay? When I bought this lens, it was like $1,000 something. Right now probably the price went down. It's probably like $900 or $800. I'm not really sure, but yeah. And this, it cracked on me, guys. This lens cracked. I think I dropped it. I don't even know how this happened, to be honest. I don't even remember, but it cracked on me. Yes, I like legit cried about it because this was such a huge investment for me. So when this thing happened, I was like, oh my God, I'm about to like die. No, not really, but yeah, so this is the lens I use. This is the only lens I use for my makeup tutorials. I do have more lenses, but the other lenses are super like affordable and I don't hardly use them, only because I don't find them really good when it comes to makeup tutorials. This one just is crispy clear, like super clear. You guys see it. This is how everything looks when I'm sitting down. I don't have a memory card in there. I wish I did, but this is how everything looks. You know, like this is such a small room, so I try to make it work as best as possible. But yeah, I try to keep a lot of things clean and organized in here so it's not, you know, super cramped up. But yeah, so this is how it looks, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick room tour. I don't have a lot to show off, you know, but one thing I have to say about my makeup brushes, I got these from Zova. I try to keep them all by one company. These are all Morphe brushes. I collect a lot of Morphe brushes because I love Morphe brushes. That's one thing I have to say. Morphe brushes are a 10, and then Zova brushes are bomb as well. So yeah, you guys, so this is it for my room tour. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Hit that bell so then you're always notified when your girl uploads. All right, let's get out of here. See ya.